to another video on Roblox, and today we're going to be playing Pizza Boxer, and we are joined by my friend. He's playing on my iPad. Say hello. His name is Sean.
Hello.
And we're going to get into it. So okay, I ordered a Mountain Dew right now, so let's go, hey, I'm here. I don't know what to do though, so I'm just
being a mean cashier.
You are?
Yeah. I'm saying, one time I said, ooh, nice shirt, you should throw it away. And I said, welcome to Taco Hut one time, and someone said, I thought this was like the Brothers building or something, because it is.
Huh?
Oh, sorry, that's me, sorry.
What?
Sorry, I crashed into you.
No, you didn't. I jumped over you.
No,
I jumped over you, though. I jumped over your car. Wait, no, don't you dare. Don't you dare. No, I'm going inside. I was like, bye-bye.
Hey, it's morning.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh my God, you're the employee of the day.
I know.
Oh, I got cash out. How much money did you get for cash out?
Not very much. I have 980.
I'm
980 money.
I'm gonna be a cashier. I know how to be one though.
Okay, then I'm coming right over to you. I'm just gonna get in this semi. No, I don't want to be in the driver's seat. No. Yes. This is what I call semi-driving.
Yay, I'm a cashier. You did it. Continue.
I'm just being so mean to everyone by being a cashier.
Okay.
Why does that car have...
Greetings. We sell car insurance. Well,
the dump is closed? Why does the dump
I know, like, why does the dump have to be closed?
The dump is stupid.
Why be here when... Welcome, what would you like? I would like to order a pepperoni pizza. Pepperoni pizza! What? You ordered so many pizzas. No wonder you're fat. Like, come on. May I take your order?
Hey.
Howdy. Howdy. Could I get a Mountain Dew? Of course, lady.
Whoa. Where did my truck just go? There's a lot of... Now there's just a whole bunch of...
Hello, welcome to the builder. How are you? I would like a sausage pizza, please. A sausage pizza? It's gross.
That sounds...
Employee of the week? Okay, I don't like you. You're too bad that I'm gonna paint you.
Haha, you can't because I'm the employee.
Oh, I wanna paint.
Where... Okay, I seriously don't know where my own place is. Oh,
what are you playing?
I found it. I'm playing the same game as you are. Hey, your face isn't in the webcam.
Oh, sorry, guys.
I know he might be acting a little weird today, but it's okay. It's okay. Because you are...
Yay, I'm manager. You are now manager.
No!
Yes. Haha. Okay, so you're not going to be the employee of the week, by the way.
Okay, I'm marching into the manager's office right now.
No, you can't.
Oh, that's the kitchen.
Oh, do you want to come inside my office? I'm opening the door.
Where are you?
I gave you that.
Thank you. Oh, sorry. Hi.
If you be a bad one, I'm not gonna let you be employee of the week. I am going to meet you.
Okay. I gave
delete. No, you didn't.
Yeah, I didn't.
I'm manager. Now you get to work.
Huh? Hey, where is he? Where is?
Get.
Oh, what would you like to order, sir?
To. Get to work, people. Where are you?
Cheese pizza, yes. There you go, sir.
Hello. Get to work. I said get to work.
Okay, I am.
I don't like you anymore. Now get to work.
I am.
Hey, this guy needs his order. Hurry up.
I am.
Jeez. Hey, what's your problem? Now you're not employee of the week. Weedle. I don't like you. I don't like you.
Okay.
I got another 40 points because I was being good. What? Hey, you. Okay, we need a meeting. Come inside.
I said,
Come inside my office. Hurry up at once, or you're gonna be fired.
wait, you can fire in this game? Okay,
Yes.
I'm right here.
Follow me.
I'm trying to go as fast as I can, but I'm extorted.
Come on, inside.
Stop! Stop, lady!
What?
Don't stop blocking!
Oh, can you
Hey! Hey!
What are you doing on the ground? Hurry up. Okay, come over here. Get in. Okay, now sit in that little chair. I get to sit in my boss chair.
No, you don't.
If you try to sit in it, it's gonna kick you out. Or it won't let you sit in it. Sorry. See, whenever you sit in it, it kicks you out.
I swear. Oh, I was just sitting in it.
Yeah, but it kicks you out after you sit in it.
Okay, do you kick me? So.
Okay. So I am gonna type, and you can type too. So whenever you want to
Okay,
type,
I know.
you type right here. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm gonna type. Since you said stop, you have to write. Right.
Okay. I'm trying to. Wait. Dude. You have to look.
You're fired.
Okay, you have to look.
I keep getting 40 points.
Oopsie, I accidentally hit that.
Okay, guys, I'm having with a meeting with him. Honey?
Hey, look at me! Look at me! I just put a lot of hash marks for just being mean. Not mean, but...
And I'm locking you inside there. You can't come out.
What if I can?
You can't.
Yes, I can. No, now it's locked!
Yeah, because you're the one who wanted to get out, and you're never gonna.
Someone just said I am manager. Oh, you're not manager anymore.
No, look, it still says I'm manager. Manager.
Nope. No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Come over here.
Okay.
No, that's only employee. Never mind.
Yeah, see, look. Hey, you voted for yourself to be manager? No way, Jose. You can't come inside my office.
What if I can?
You can't. Only I can. Ooh, I can turn on the lights. I did not know that.
Dude, if I say hey, I wave.
Cool.
knows what I'm saying.
Yeah, whenever you say knock knock, that means you're right here and you want to come inside. Okay, and I'll see it right here. And I'll see it right here, so just say it. If you want to come inside. I'm going to go inside my office. In this hey, why are you in my office? Why are you in my office?
This is weird.
I'm leaving.
I can turn the lights on and off. Or not.
Try to find me. Hey, cheater.
You're in the pizza. No, delivery.
I'm gonna steal this guy's car.
Okay.
Dude, this thing's so fast. Look at. What does this do?
Ooh!
This is a convertible.
I wish mine was a convertible.
Look it. I like my car. Come. Bye. I'm like, bye, dude.
Come party here, guys.
Hey! I'm coming for you.
Okay, I'll stop. I want it.
I'm coming for you. And you still have B2? You have to deliver that. So now I'm still gonna fire you.
Okay, no.
Why are you on break? You've been on break enough.
Okay. No, I don't want to be that. Okay, I promise. I'll stop. No.
No party. No party.
Oh. Okay,
This is my car that's super duper fast.
Someone just acted sad and I thought it said, would you want pepperoni?
Hey, mine! I just stole this guy's car. Hey, it said da-da! Because I stole the guy's car. Bye, dude. This guy's door's open.
Other customers, and I'm being nice to them.
Oh, I forgot. I have a Mountain Dew. I have a Mountain Dew, dude. Okay, guys, thank you for watching.
And we are going to...
And we're going to end the video, 13-minute video. Thank you for watching. Shout out to Sean. And bye, guys. Bye, guys.